When can I return to full activities like golf or skiing?
So probably, depending if you're doing well, golf could be 3 months. Um, Lifting, again, when you get to about 6 months, I don't really have any restriction on you after tops. I do recommend careful how you bend, lift, and twist, but there's not really a long-term weightlifting restriction.
We have patients all back to all of that, right? Wood chopping in the Northeast is certainly something with our recent winter. Back to skiing, which is a big one again in our neck of the woods. Back to golf, anything that is stressful on the back, right? Anything that has either motion or twisting across the back, like golf, or what we call axial load, right? Where the force gets sort of projected up along through the spine, like skiing, anything with a lot of jumping, basketball. So we've seen a lot of return to a variety of activities, but the big ones are skiing, outdoor work, gardening, bending over, doing a lot of those activities, and golf for sure. Some tennis
Yeah.
also.
It's actually better to have a tops if you want to be active than it is to have a fusion. I tell people all the time, you can have a lumbar fusion and go play golf, and you have to live your life. You can't stop doing things, but you're going to have adjacent level degeneration. And if people have a multi-level fusion, they have even higher risk of adjacent level disease because of the amount of stress from that lever arm of fusion. But a TOPS device doesn't put stress on the next level. And yes, by all means, if you have a single level TOPS and you want to play golf or any other activity, I'm perfectly fine with it. Nothing will prevent you from having degenerative changes in general over your life. But the TOPS device, the screws actually bind to the bone extremely well. There's actually no reported cases of the screws loosening or backing out, and there's no hardware concerns from that standpoint. So yes, I think you can do whatever you feel up to.